Hello, my dear crafters. So next week I have a ugly sweater party. This is very common here in the US, and I have some friends who are throwing this party. And I just thought, being a crafter and all, and I'm sure you all relate, I'm not just going to buy an ugly sweater. I just can't do that. I'm going to make it even uglier, like horrific. So I went around thrift stores because that's kind of part of it. You usually wear something from thrift stores. And I found two, one for my husband and one for me. So I'm going to show you now the before. This is the one that I bought for my husband. Very, very ugly. And I'm going to make it really, really, really bad. I'm going to show you what I will use. Actually, whatever you have at hand, this is the end of the season. I'm sure you have a lot of decoration items, leftovers and stuff. I just went to the Dollar Tree and I bought a few things. So what I'll do in this video is I'll show you what I'm going to use just to give you an inspiration and ideas. I'll show you both sweaters and then I'll come back and show you the before and after. So this is the before. Ugly enough, I guess, but I just can't leave it like that. So this is the one I bought from my husband. Let me show you mine. And some might argue that this is not ugly enough. That's what my husband said. I'm not sure that's very ugly. So yeah, it is ugly, honey, believe me. I would never use that. But anyway, Merry Christmas. And it has like a red collar here. And this is actually perfect for the idea that I had because this is what I'm going to use. So I bought these at the Dollar Tree. These are like little tiny jingle bells. So I don't know where I'm going to put them, but probably here in where these things are here, the ornaments. So I'm going to use these and I'm basically going to sew them. And here's the other thing that I also had. I found at the Dollar Tree, this little tiny gift wrapped. So maybe I'll put it here at the bottom. I don't know. I'm actually gonna wing it. I'm just gonna look at it and do whatever. And I have some beads too. Some of them, they have these jingle bells. So I'll probably use some of this, just go around, but on both. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my husband's. I think mine is a little easier because I can use this to just go down. I don't know. You will see the after. And the cool thing that I bought too is these lights. So I am going to actually sew these lights and I'm going to use them. We'll see. We'll see if that works. You let me know after I show you the after. So I have two types. So this one I already put let me show you. So this one is actually Christmas trees. Let me put it here so you can see on and off. See? That's on, that's off. So I'm gonna find a way to, this will be inside, and I'll show you when it's done, okay? I'll show you like the inside, how I sewed it in, or what kind of solution I found, because it's gonna be inside. And this I'm going to, I don't know how, I'm just gonna sew it. We'll see if that works. But anyway, so this is the before, and I'll do my thing. I'll work on both sweaters, and then I will be right back and show you what they look like after. Okay, so many hours later, I really want your opinion just to see if I did a great job or not. Because according to my husband, at least my sweater is cuter now. So I guess maybe I'm not very good at turning things into ugly. So anyway, so I'll have the picture here of the before, and here's the after. Okay, let me show the top first. So I added these jingle bells to the top, and let me show you close. So some of these beads here, so I added that. Here I have added to this part here. Let me just show you the whole thing. So there you go. You can compare to the before. I added this beautiful flower, poinsettia, I can never say that name. So let me show you close by because you will see that I added a lot of jewels here. These are pom-poms. I added pom-poms. A lot of pom-poms, a lot of jewels here. Here's the collar. To the middle, I added the flower. And here, here is the little, I forgot the name. Anyway, so I added this, it's like a necklace with a lot of jingle bells here. I added some jewels to his eyes, some pom-pom to the hat here, some little pom-poms here. All of these, everything that I added here was with hot glue. These I sewed, actually. These were also, I used just a regular needle and thread, and I sewed these, and these, and these, and these. And the pom-poms, let me show you sideways, because you can see there are a lot of pom-poms. So all of these pom-poms, I use hot glue. So this is the final result of the ugly sweater, now turned into really ugly. So this one was kind of easy. Now I'm going to show you mine. So what do you think? Do you think it's uglier? I think it is, especially this, honestly. So that's the one from my husband. He's going to wear this. Very brave of him. Now let me show you mine. So mine, let me get the picture here so you can compare. And here is what I did to mine. So I added this very ugly bow here with hot glue. I added pom-pom everywhere, big pom-poms. And to the Christmas tree, I added a lot of like beads and these little jingle bells, a lot of pom-poms. Let me show you close. So there you are, lots of pom-poms, the jingle bells, pom-poms everywhere. So that's what I added to the tree, and you can see that it moves. So I added that. That's the one that my husband said, you know, I think it looks even cuter now with these pom-poms. So I don't know if I turned an ugly sweater into horrific. Please do let me know in the comments below. And I've made, and these I know they're very ugly. So I made earrings to go with the sweater. Look at that, pom-pom and the jingle bell. So I'm going to be wearing this. My husband said, okay, I have to agree, the earrings are horrific. So there you are. So guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of my transformation. So now we have a lot of pom-poms, we have all of these beads here, and we have this very ugly bow. So there you are. Let me know in the comments below if I did a good job or not, or maybe I'm just supposed to be a crafter who turns papers into cute things, because the ugly thing is maybe not my forte. So there you are. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great Christmas and holiday season again. Bye-bye.